May I come in, madam?
Yes, please.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Introduce yourself.
My name is Dhaval Rajan. I have come from Gandhinagar. We have three person in our family.
ओके तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने देखा कि इन्होंने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे दिया। उन्होंने सिर्फ अपना नाम बताया और अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स कितने हैं वो बताया और कहाँ से वो आ रहे हैं। सो दिस इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट वे यू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन। यू शुड नॉट बी nervous and also you should be confident enough to give answers, but in a simple way you can give your introduction in this way that my name is Dhaval. I hail from Kudasan, Gandhinagar. I have completed my graduation. Right now, I don't have any work experience, but currently I have joined Win-Win Overseas Gandhinagar uh, English spoken classes. If you would like to have some more important information about the preparation for IELTS, please join us at Win-Win Overseas, Gandhinagar, Gujarat.